By OsazuwaAkonedo. Inspector General of Police, IGP Usman Alkali Baba, in line with his administration's policing agenda set out upon his appointment as the 21st Indigenous Inspector General of Police, has effectively completed the construction of over 198 projects, including more than 120 modern police stations, barracks, and other vital police buildings around the country, as part of efforts to fight crimes and criminality via improved morale-boosting welfare packages and anti-crime psychology of officers, as well as offer policing services in conformity with international best practices. Consequently, the IGP shall commence a duty tour of some of the states where these projects have been completed for commissioning starting from today, Tuesday 4, 2022 to Sunday 9 October, 2022, starting with the commissioning of the newly constructed Kurudu Divisional Headquarters, Abuja. The states to be visited in no particular